guys, you're probably wondering why I'm in a robe. That's totally fine. I am here today at the Ole Henriksen Spa in West Hollywood with the owner, Vance Soto.
Hello.
Here at the spa was where Ole started his creation and started coming up with all these amazing products.
We're known for our celebrity following. Some of the fans, Katy Perry, Lisa Kudrow, Mark Wahlberg.
Probably also wondering why is Charlotte so glowy? That's because I just got the red carpet facial. It's the most popular treatment here, and if you're interested in finding out what exactly the red carpet facial entails, keep watching.
First, we start with some massage techniques to really relax Charlotte, make sure she zones away. At which point, we're going to move into our signature double cleanse.
That smells so good.
Fun fact about that cleanser, by the way, it has African red tea, which is 50 times more antioxidant than green tea.
Oh my god.
And it's great for removing makeup. And with that, no more makeup. So now we're going to be doing the hydrofacial portion. So at the same time that it's exfoliating, it's infusing high efficacy, professional only serums into the skin. So now we're going to do the human stem cell portion. And it looks very similar, but human stem cell is going to be great for plumpiness, it's going to be great for that glow, and it's really going to extend the results of the treatment for about 10 days.
I love it. I might go sleep here, but we'll see. Try to make it
You can stay.
Okay.
Now we're going to do the microphoto treatment, which uses LHE technology, which is light heat energy. So not only are we going to stimulate collagen, it's for fine lines and wrinkles, texture, and pore size. Again, something that is professional only in the spa, but really helps to give that red carpet Ole glow.
And this is like gets rid of all your dark, so kind of like sunspots, right?
It's kind of like the everything light treatment. So it helps with hyperpigmentation, it helps to stimulate the collagen. Think of it like the facelift without the, without the knife. It just really gives a nice added element to the overall glow. One of the final steps that we also do is red LED lights, and red LED was designed by NASA to heal wounds in space for astronauts. It's an important part of the process. Not only does it help to really set in the human stem cell, but it's also going to nurture the skin and stimulate collagen at the same time. So it's really going to help to calm inflammation and just, again, added sort of tightness and firmness. And then we also have blue light, which is going to be great for eruption-prone skin, anybody who's breaking out, active breakout, cystic acne, you name it, it does it all. So now, as a finishing touch, we're putting on Banana Bright, because as we know, nobody can leave the house without eye cream. Not only is Banana Bright perfect for color correcting and dark circles, it's really going to help with the makeup, so when you go to that red carpet, you're good to go. Banana Bright, baby, illuminate, yes! Who doesn't love the aromas of the products and the textures? I mean, they're amazing.
I kind of love it because I can recognize all of the products that you're putting on my face.
Yes, we love that. Well, we also love True Serum. Not only is it one of the #1 products in the company, it really is also what helped put Ole on the map. It's going to help to brighten and fade hyperpigmentation and then turn back the clock. So now we're going to use the Transform Plus. It's really all about exfoliation, lightening, hyperpigmentation, having that retinol alternative, really setting the stage. And one, it smells amazing and the color is awesome. Now we're going to top off with C Rush, 24 hours of hydration.
Love this stuff.
Yeah, so let me tell you, not only when you're putting on your lotions and potions around your eye area, a little tip and trick is to just lightly tap.
Around your eyes.
Yeah, and that will stimulate lymphatic, help with stimulating collagen, and puffiness.
Okay, so Vance, that was amazing. Thank you so much. If you are anywhere near the Ole Henriksen Spa in LA, you have to do yourself a favor and come here. Come learn about the history of the brand, these amazing products. You'll recognize all the smells as they're putting it on your face. And if you're here, you might even see a celebrity.
Yes, you might, but you're also a celebrity. We treat everybody like a VIP, so
Vance,
please.
I love that.
I like that.
I love you.
Too.
Thank you guys.
It's our pleasure.
See you at the spa.